this was so moto cognizance taken by the Children's Commission. I came because this place looked very untidy, and I came because it is a menace, especially for children who are studying in this area. I'll send my report within 2 days to the respective panchayats and other stakeholders who are also part of this, who are partly responsible for this, and ensure that this place is clean and a good place for children to pass by, especially free of garbage.
Unless the government is serious about solving this menace, this will continue like this, creating a nuisance for the children, for all the residents from this locality. So we demand from the environment minister some immediate action. आता कित करताय ते सुमना एक पार्टी दोन पार्टी साफ करपाक जाय. What they do? ते फकत ते ग्रीन हाउस पण मुखार यहाँ ते कलेक्ट करून गेले. Once it is issued to clean the entire stretch, keep one cops here. एक दोग जाणां फायन भरले, automatically everybody will in order.
एकूच आसा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट आनी दोगूय सारकी सांजेर आनी पंचायती दोगांचे आमचे सांगपाचें आसा हो ग्रीन स्पॉट आसा तो काडचो. तो काडून जाता की ही गार्बेज आहा पळय ती क्लीन जाता.